Alright you guys, I got the Celica back up and running. We're just doing a quick test drive here, but I figured you guys might want to come along for a little rip. So we're out here in the streets of Mexico, and we're going to make a quick little hit, so follow along here. Well, car makes it up to 60, no big deal. I don't really drive this thing on the highway too much. Work's only 7.5 miles, so 60 is about all I need to check it. Go home, retorque the wheels, retorque the new wheel adapter that I put on there, and we'll go from there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.